Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is the June edition of the top 5 tutorials for After Effects, and can you believe it, we are now 6 months in. I would like to say a big thank you again to everyone who's been watching the videos, and for everyone who's subscribed and give us a like, it's very much appreciated. As I mentioned last month, I've been working on a tool to help everyone and anyone who's new to After Effects use it quickly and more efficiently. This is still coming along nicely, and I'm really looking forward to sharing it with you. As promised, I will keep you posted. Alright, let's take a look at the first video. So the first tutorial this month is by Move Shapes. And what a nice, mellow, informative video this one is. Essentially what you'll be doing is creating simple animated icons using shape layers, and you'll get to see all of the little subtle techniques that he uses to get the animations looking really cool. Generally, I don't really like watching tutorials where there's no one speaking. However, these are really the exception. Go on, check it out. The second video this month is by ED.Motions, and this is fantastic. Alright, so what you'll learn is how to create a Faux 3D parallax effect. And what's great about this effect is when you're wanting to add some depth to your scenes and you want to add a little bit of movement to the background and also the foreground to differentiate, you can really lean into this effect. Traditionally, when creating this kind of effect, you would go down the route of changing all of the layers to 3D, then adding a camera and animating the camera. But the best part is we actually avoid needing a 3D camera. They're powerful, yes, but they are very finicky, and it saves a bit of a headache not using them, so this is amazing. Check it out. The third tutorial is by Cameron of Motion Science, and what we learn in this video is how to create a VHS look. I really love this tutorial because not only do we learn the methods to create this effect, but we can also use it again and again. I'm finding there is never a shortage of needing to use this style of effect. Definitely check this one out. The fourth video comes via Max Novak, and what a treat this one is. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an immersive VR experience. You'll do this by using After Effects and a third-party plugin called Element 3D, and you'll also use Maxon's Cinema 4D. It definitely feels like we had a little bit of a surge in these types of videos. I know there's plenty on YouTube, but I kind of feel like there's a little bit of a resurgence, and tutorials like this really only help the cause. So Max, thank you, and again, check out this tutorial. And the final video for June's Roundup is by the incredible Ben Marriott. Alright, as always, another amazing and in-depth tutorial, and it really goes to show that you can actually create some really super realistic effects. As the title states, you learn how to create a watercolor ink bleed effect. And what I really like is the clever use of the inbuilt effects to create this effect. The tutorial has a lot to offer, so dig in and check it out. Alright, well thanks again guys. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification icon too. If you have any questions, please put those in the comments, and also head over to our website, aftereffectsbeginner.com, and sign up to our newsletter.